Good evening, friends. Welcome to another episode of Bank Nifty Analysis by Catalyst Trading Institute. Friends, आज का session we will break in three parts. First part, right? I will just take you through the trade that we had suggested yesterday, right? In terms of short in Bank Nifty. The story is there out. टेलीग्राम में मैंने सुबह को कॉल दिया था 280 पे मैंने कॉल दिया था 25 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस था वो 580 पे गया है मोस्ट ऑफ द मेंबर्स ने आज 200 से 230 पॉइंट anywhere between that and some people have booked 75 to 80 points, right? Most of the members made profit in that. Second part, I will try and cover the learnings from today, right? We did live session. I had posted in the group MSCI rebalancing है 2 बजे के बाद मार्केट में बाइंग का मूड आएगा. Personally, when we took just before taking live session, right, I had suggested a level from where buying would come. Personally, I made a profit there. Members could not enter. Live session में दोनों बार ट्रेड हमारे डायरेक्शन में गया, but before going in our direction, it took our stop loss. It is not an issue. As I have always explained, stop loss is our friend. मैंने प्रॉफिट में से रिस्क लेने कहा था. एक ट्रेड में 32 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस था, which was not more than 10% of the profits that we had made. Second में it was 22 points, 22 or 24 points, which is again from the stop loss, from the profit. सो इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है, हमने प्रॉफिट बनाया, प्रॉफिट में से हम स्टॉप लॉस दे रहे हैं. इट इज नॉट डेंटिंग कैपिटल. ये डिसिप्लिन दोस्तों आपने जैसे बना दिया तो आपको ट्रेडिंग में पैसे बनाने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता, राइट? दिस वाज अ वेरी बिग लर्निंग. इट हैपेंस टू ऑल द ट्रेडर्स. द थिंग इज यू शुड बी काम. You should not keep switching around the direction. The learning that happened live for more than 70 traders, right, in the session today was how I stayed calm and how I was continuously saying yes, this will go up. Finally भी यही हुआ. मैंने कहा ये जाएगा ऊपर, हमारा एसएल लिया है, जाएगा ऊपर 390 400 तक जरूर जाएगा एंड वो लेवल्स आए. बट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज आपको अपने ग्रीड को अपने दिमाग पे हावी होने नहीं देना है. स्टॉप लॉस लगा कोई बात नहीं, आप स्टॉप लॉस लीजिए, बैठिए, मार्केट को ऑब्जर्व करिए. इट्स अ गुड टाइम टू लर्न. आपने स्टॉप लॉस दिया, उसके बाद आप देख रहे हैं कि भाई मेरा एनालिसिस था, ठीक है, मेरा स्टॉप लॉस लेके मार्केट के एसएल हंटिंग हुआ, लेकिन क्या मेरा एनालिसिस सही है? द आंसर इज यस, राइट? सो इससे आपको फ्यूचर में ना, देखो ट्रेडिंग एक दिन का काम नहीं, ये आपको करना है. इफ यू आर यंग नाउ, इफ यू आर एट 30 40, राइट, यू आर गोना डू इट फॉर 15 20. एक स्किल आप में आ गया, you will continuously make big amounts of money if you have learned it the right way, if your fundamentals are right, if your process is right. डिसिप्लिन अगर आप में आ गया, पैसा आपके पास ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा, राइट? सो लर्निंग था ये, मैं सेकंड पार्ट में कवर करूंगा. एंड थर्ड पार्ट में वी विल लुक एट द कंपोनेंट्स. वी विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट कैन बी द मूवमेंट टुमारो. दोस्तों एक्सपायरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. रीजन क्या है? मैंने कहा था बहुत डेटा आने वाला है. अब आज डेटा जो आया था अभी 6 बजे, वो था सीपीआई का, राइट? यूएस सीपीआई इन्फ्लेशन का डेटा है. मोर और लेस कंसेंसस के हिसाब से आया, तो उसका ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट मार्केट पे नहीं होना चाहिए. एसजीएक्स निफ्टी एंड डाउ जोन्स को न देखें. ग्लोबल मार्केट से इंडियन मार्केट्स हैव clearly dissociated themselves for the time being, right? Yes, it may come back in sync, but right now they have dissociated. दोस्तों कल immediately after market आज बीओई की भी एमपीसी मीट है, राइट? गिवन कुछ कुछ मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक फंडामेंटल चेंजेस आएंगे, लोग एमपीसी वोट का वेट कर रहे हैं. 25-50 बेसिस पॉइंट वहां पे क्या होगा, उससे आईटी वगैरह में इम्पैक्ट आता है. कल एक्सपायरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगी क्योंकि कुछ कुछ पोजीशंस उसके हिसाब से भी बनेगी. बिकॉज trade also happens due to emotions, what certain traders feel. It's not always due to technical and fundamental, right? So कल की एक्सपायरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगी. मुझे पर्सनली कल क्या लग रहा है, कल मार्केट ट्रेडर्स को दोनों साइड कंफ्यूज करेगा, राइट? इट विल नॉट बी एन इजी एक्सपायरी. नाउ व्हाई डू आई से इट सो? व्हाट डिड आई से येस्टरडे? एवरी डे अगर आप देखेंगे, बैंक निफ्टी इज लाइक अ जीब्रा क्रॉसिंग. एक दिन ग्रीन, एक दिन रेड, एक दिन ग्रीन, एक दिन रेड. आज मुझे लगा था अगर इसके नीचे क्लोजिंग देता तो दूसरा रेड आ जाता तो सेलर्स एक्टिवेट हो पाते. बट क्या हुआ, मार्केट नीचे गया. 42 800 820 पे जो सपोर्ट था, उस सपोर्ट को लेके मार्केट ने एक्चुअली लास्ट 3-4 दिनों की हाईएस्ट क्लोजिंग दे दी एंड आज उसने रेड के बाद एक फिर ग्रीन कर दिया. यानी अगर आप पैटर्न वाइज जाएं, यहाँ पे ये एक रेजिस्टेंस लेके 42 420 450 से फिर एक लाल कैंडल बना सकते हैं. वो लाल कैंडल आएगी 43,050 तक, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. अब मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है? उसके बहुत रीजन है। मैं पहले चलता हूँ विक्स पे, राइट, इंडिया विक्स पे। विक्स इज नथिंग बट वोलाटिलिटी इंडेक्स। वोलाटिलिटी इंडेक्स टिपिकली टॉक्स अबाउट द फियर इन द मार्केट। अब होता क्या है, वोलाटिलिटी, आपका फियर या पैनिक कब बढ़ेगा, जब एक पैनिक फॉल आने का इंतजार होगा। अगर आप विक्स देखेंगे ना, ये मैंने लाइव सेशन में भी बोला था, बड़ा अजीब सा अपमूव है। द अपमूव इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस टू डाइजेस्ट बिकॉज VIX is going up and market is going up. Typically, when market is confident of going upside, right, VIX has to fall. But VIX is at historically very good or low levels. So VIX is increasing, market is going up. Either on Thursday or on Friday, you will see a good trending day from a selling standpoint, right? Given tomorrow is expiry, I am not expecting it. But because of this VIX, the up move, right, can get sold into. VIX is increasing with the up move. Typically, that means someone is creating position of bearish nature at the upper levels, especially in Nifty and some components of bank, right? So this is one thing which is putting a seed of doubt in my mind. What is the other thing which is putting a seed of doubt in my mind, right? If you look at the 15-minute chart, if I look at the 15-minute chart, this is completely an inside swing. This is completely an inside swing. Neither the upside nor the downside is taken off, right? ये मेरा ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर था, यहाँ पे मेरा इंड्यूसमेंट हुआ। स्मार्ट मनी कॉन्सेप्ट ट्रेडर्स नो व्हाट इज इंड्यूसमेंट। उसके बाद मेरा चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर हुआ है। चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर होने के बाद ये मेरा एक स्विंग है अपसाइड पे, ये मेरा एक स्विंग है अपसाइड पे, ठीक है, और ये मेरा स्विंग है डाउन साइड पे, ठीक है। मार्केट करंटली इन दो स्विंग्स के बीच में ट्रेड कर रहा है, या राइट। ये मेरा ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर था, ये मेरा ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर था, ठीक है। ये मेरे इंड्यूसमेंट लेवल से, मैं इसको हटा देता हूँ फॉर द टाइम, राइट, आई विल जस्ट डिलीट दिस। ये मेरे इंड्यूसमेंट लेवल्स थे, ये मेरे इंड्यूसमेंट लेवल थे। इंड्यूसमेंट लेवल को निकालने के बाद, इसको मैं एक्सटेंशन से, ये इंड्यूसमेंट लेवल थे, इसको आइडियली रीटेस्ट करने के बाद यहाँ पे मेरा स्विंग हाई कंफर्म हो गया, यहाँ पे मेरा स्विंग लो कंफर्म हो गया। अगर आप इसको ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर कंसीडर करेंगे, मेरा एक स्विंग जरूर बन गया, वो है बिटवीन दिस पॉइंट, राइट। ये मेरा एक स्विंग बन गया है, ठीक है। मार्केट अब प्रीमियम साइड पे बार बार नीचे आने की कोशिश कर रहा है, राइट। मार्केट अब प्रीमियम साइड पे रेजिस्टेंस लेके बार बार नीचे आने की कोशिश कर रहा है। आज मार्केट की जो क्लोजिंग है इज अगेन हैपनिंग नियर द रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स, राइट, विच मीन्स आज सपोर्ट मार्केट ने 50 पे लिया, अगर आप देखेंगे 0.5 ऑफ दिस स्विंग, राइट। अब मेरे लिए ये स्विंग लो अभी कंफर्म कब होगा, या तो मार्केट ये स्विंग लो को ब्रेक करके नीचे आए तो ये एक हाई कंफर्म हो गया, फिर लो कंफर्म करने के लिए मुझे इंड्यूसमेंट का वेट करना पड़ेगा। करंटली तो मार्केट एकदम बीचों बीच ट्रेंड कर रहा है। ये टिपिकली ये मार्केट का बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर है, ये मार्केट का सब स्ट्रक्चर है। सब स्ट्रक्चर में अब मेरे पास दो ट्रेड पॉसिबिलिटीज है। या तो मार्केट कल 43,360, मार्केट tends to consolidate between 43,380 and 480, and then it breaks out. I will trade for 43,736, right? My first target will be 43,550, second target will be 43,736. Or what market can do, market can simply create this trend line liquidity. Market can create, actually liquidity is there up, liquidity is there down. It's a symmetrical triangle from a chart pattern standpoint. Below, if market opens a gap down below this level, consolidates here below 43,062, I will expect a trade till 42,868, and this movement I am expecting to happen after 1:30 or 2 o'clock. So friends, tomorrow 0 is going to be interesting. There is a symmetrical triangle. Market is at a slight premium. If you look at it, there is a substructure. It is not in a main structure, right? The movement tomorrow will happen both the sides. I am personally seeing this as an exhaustion of the uptrend. Probably there is a small dip which may happen in the coming weeks, and from there market can go back and make a new high, right? From an option standpoint, same story is being repeated. From an option standpoint, the way everyone has positioned, it's looking the same. If you see, right, 43,500 call writers have not exited their position. These guys have solidified their position. I am personally expecting a grinding day. So if you see today, right, it's a grinding day, right? Big positions have not been made. These are like less than a million, right? 1.2 million. So I am not expecting a big day. Probably if 380 to 480, right? If it opens flat, consolidates there, I will try to chase a trade towards 43,580 and 43,700. Downside, if it opens below 43,250 and between 43,250 and 180, it consolidates. I will chase it for the targets of 43,050, 42,950, right? Flat opening tomorrow is gonna be very, very difficult to trade because market has formed a symmetrical triangle, is trading at a premium. Flat opening anywhere between these closing candle, right? 43,290 to 43,350, 360, right? This 70 point, in this 70 point range, if market opens and sustains for 5 to 10 minutes, it will make it a very, very difficult day to trade, especially in the first half, guys. Especially in the first half, बहुत difficult होगा trade करने के लिए, right? Please keep your notifications on. If I find a good trade, I will give it on Telegram. Again, my request to everyone, the trades have been going well. Don't assume they will continue to do so. In case you are risking the first morning trade, don't risk more than 1% of your capital, friends. If it's one lot, just go with one lot. Don't risk, don't try to overstretch yourself, right? It is going to be a difficult day in first half. Now, if I go to option component, sorry, bank nifty components, right? Bank nifty component for tomorrow, if you see, right, this is continuing to trade at the support and supply, right? Support and supply, it's continuing to trade. I am not seeing any major trend emerging in HDFC. What is giving me some solace is if HDFC, so HDFC, right, continuously is forming higher lows here. If the lows are not getting taken out, that means a consolidation at higher end of the spectrum is signaling a break of upside, right? So for tomorrow, if HDFC is not able to break 1642 and continues to trade between 1647 and 1653, it can go till 1660 and next 1670, right? HDFC moving 12 to 20 points will give Bank Nifty a good upside of 180 to 250 points, right? So HDFC is actually creating higher lows and trying to break this consolidation range, right? Which is a good sign, which is a very good sign for the market, right? Now, I will come to ICICI. Let's see ICICI chart. ICICI, I said, is not bearish yesterday, right? The reason is it's consolidating above this level. So actually, if you see, right, ये मारू बोजू का 50% के नीचे जब तक क्लोज नहीं किया, you should not worry. ICICI for tomorrow, again, any move above 937 will go right up to 942 and 945, right? ICICI, personally for me, I am seeing an up move, right? HDFC and ICICI move together, you will see a very good rally. So for tomorrow, right, this point, if it gets taken out, you will see a move of 5 to 8 points in ICICI. This again can contribute 120 to 150 points. The thing is, if HDFC and ICICI start moving together, right, you would see a big green candle in Bank Nifty, right? So let's hope we see this movement happening together, right? I will show you Axis Bank. Axis Bank, as I said, is actually in a narrow range, but at a crucial supply, right? It has started consolidating to create higher lows. Personally, someone asked me, is it a good trade to go long in Axis? I personally feel above this level of 892, right? You can get 896 and then Axis can actually go towards the levels of 938. Will it be a good buy given you are trying for a swing trade? Let it close about 894, 895. Axis personally to me is looking like a good candidate for swing high. Why do I say so? If you look at the Fibonacci levels here on the swing, right? If you look at Fibonacci levels here on the swing, it has given good consolidation around discount area. Tomorrow, if you see 0.5 and up, if it goes, this can actually go right up to 937, right? Not tomorrow, this will be a swing trade, right? But Axis, ICICI, HDFC is telling me there is some steam left in bulls if those important levels get taken out, right? Now we will come to Kotak. Kotak, we said we are positive. We maintain the same stance. If you see the lows are not getting taken out, every support buying is emerging. MSCI rebalancing is there. We have been saying this. For tomorrow, these are the levels. Wait here, consolidation between 1962 and 1969. If it happens, this will break. It has to go towards 2011 levels, right? Again, do not enter trade for people who have taken it from bottom. We had given an option also where we ask people to exit it once they made 30-40% profit. In case you are holding it out of 10% of the profits that you have made through our calls, please observe tomorrow any movement above 1970. This will give you big money. Please exit there, right? We will close the call. We have closed the call from our end, but many people have continued to carry it, hoping it will be 3x, 5x, 7x. Tomorrow, right? If you get a movement, please exit. If you don't get a movement, assume it's a stop loss, and again, right? Don't try to extend your stay there. Yeah. Coming to SBI, this was a stock which did not move well today, right? In fact, in the morning, it gave a decent correction. It has taken a support at 563. For tomorrow, right? I am sitting neutral on SBI. It's creating, given Bank Nifty as an index, right? Was continuously creating higher lows. This one has done the same. Now, till it moves beyond 575, I am not looking at a bull trade here, right? Let it move above 575 and we'll get a bullish trade here. IndusInd, as opposed to our expectation, was more bullish than the others. So if Bank Nifty is trading well, tomorrow this stock, right, unlike anyone else, should start running. Now, again, I'm not asking anyone to create position, but given this has a weightage of 4 to 6% on index, this one above the shooting star level today should start giving you a good move. Shooting star was created at the closing 15 minutes. You will see a good move here, right, as well. So now we'll come to our option chart. Option chart, right? So I had suggested a long year. It took our SL and went away, right? It's okay. It happens. Not an issue. For tomorrow, keep eyes on 43,000 CE, right? 43,000 CE. Keep your eyes open. If it comes around 320 with a stop loss of 290, you can go long for the targets of 400. If it consolidates at 400, it can go right up to 484 and 548, right? This looks like a good option given it's an institutional strike. I am confident. The other thing, if you see, right, it's created a good liquidity down, right? If it takes, it has to take a support. Either it will take here or it will take somewhere around 281. Tomorrow, again on Telegram, I will give a call in the morning. Please take it with your risk appetite. Ensure that you don't lose more than 1% of your capital, right? Puts, I want to wait and see, right? The reason I say it is this liquidity was created. The liquidity did not get absorbed. I have an extreme order block at 192, right? Around 192, I want to observe what it wants to do and then make a decision. Between 192 and 180, I want to observe what it wants to do and then make a decision. Between the two, call is looking more promising because of the way the components are structured, the way consolidation has happened, right? If this option price opens flat and consolidates between 355 and 407, right? If you get a candle where you have 25, 28 points as stop loss that you can place above 407, you can go long for 80 to 90 points target, but keep a stop loss of 25, right? The thing is, it should not go in the opening candle. The opening candle should not break 355. The opening candle 15 minutes, in first 15 minutes, it should not break 405. If that consolidation happens between 355 and 407, you will get a good move on this option. Yeah. So my first bet in the morning, I am looking at some consolidation for 10-15 minutes and then break of 407 to trade till 480. 480 and 580. Yeah. So friends, for now, this is the plan that we have for today, right? The second part which I did not take was the lessons that we learned. The lessons that we learned on live market, right? Please go back and see the live market video. It is very interesting. As I said, in 1 minute, I took a uh, took a took an option, right? Somewhere here, it created liquidity. It created a trap candle. I had placed an SL here around 292, and just at the trap candle, right, I had entered. My assumption was it has created decent liquidity. There are 5 to 6 touches. It will actually blast upside. It did SL hunting. It went up to my target, but before that, it took my SL. Right? It's a very interesting video on live analysis today. If you see, you will enjoy it. Many people have given very good comments. In fact, people sent me DMs. Their learning was the highest today. The reason they learned a lot was the way we managed the position, the way we never changed the view because we were bullish. They were happy the analysis was right. It's okay. SL came, right? Today SL came, I gave one. But many days, if my SL is not hitting, I am getting 1:3, 1:5, 1:8, right? So the important thing is learning. If you learn it well, the process will ensure in future, right? If you're able to gauge the right side of the trend, money will come from the markets, right? Go through the video. Also watch today's analysis video. Again, friends, I hope we are able to add value, right? Today's slightly longer video. I wanted to do more holistic analysis. Tomorrow's expiry looks tricky, right? We'll try and meet you guys tomorrow during expiry. I'll try to take a trade. I may not be available for Hero Zero trade, but I will try to come in the later part of afternoon and do a trading. Yeah. I hope everyone is learning, earning. If you are liking the work that we are doing, friends, please like, share, subscribe, give comments. In case there is a feedback, we would like to hear from you guys. Through word of mouth publicity, through your efforts, we have actually grown from 300 odd members to 711 members in just 2 weeks. Friends, that's a fantastic achievement. We have not spent anything on digital marketing. Many people, through their word of mouth, have ensured that their family members, their friends are joining our channel. Many people have given very, very good reviews. I am seeing profit screenshots that we are getting from our members, right, which are improving day by day. We are very happy to be your colleagues in the path of success. Friends, keep up the momentum. Please ensure our channel link is subscribed and shared with the right set of people. I am sure over a period of time, you will learn more, right? As we are maturing, as we are growing as an audience, we will try to come up with some dedicated playlists on setup. Till now, I've taught 2 or 3 setups. I have been doing a lot of live analysis. I'll continue to do more and more of this stuff. As the crowd increases, I want to ensure we are able to deliver value and maintain the high standards, right? For now, this is it. I am signing off from Bank Nifty Analysis. We'll meet you guys tomorrow. Hope everyone has a very profitable expiry trading. Thank you, friends.